Welcome to another JeaKen video. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. 10 best nutrition tips for those with Crohn's disease. Crohn's disease is an autoimmune disease that affects the gut. It can affect any part of the gastrointestinal system, from the mouth to the anus. In Crohn's disease, autoantibodies attack the cells of the GI lining, rendering them unable to function. If it affects the small intestines, absorption of nutrients becomes difficult. People with Crohn's disease need to watch their diet very carefully, both for foods that make the disease worse and for foods to eat that can maximize nutrition. Here are some tips for excellent nutrition in the face of Crohn's disease. Remember that everyone with Crohn's disease is different, so that what works for others may not work as well for you. Foods good for Crohn's disease include the following. 1. Almond milk. As many people with Crohn's disease cannot tolerate lactose, a good milk alternative is almond milk. It is made from almonds that have been ground up and strained. It is usually fortified with calcium, so it mimics regular milk. Almond milk is high in vitamin E and vitamin D but is free of fat. The unsweetened form of almond milk is only about 20 calories per serving. 2. Eggs. Eggs cooked in any way can provide the Crohn's disease sufferer with a great source of digestible protein. They contain about 90 calories per egg, and the entire egg should be consumed for the maximum amount of nutrition. 3. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a great food for Crohn's disease, even during flare-ups. It contains soluble fiber that absorbs the water in the digestive tract, allowing it to pass slowly through the GI tract, relieving diarrhea. 4. Vegetable soups. While raw vegetables can be irritating for those who have Crohn's disease, highly cooked vegetables contain many complex carbohydrates necessary for good health. Try pureed carrot, butternut squash, or pumpkin soups for the best in vegetable nutrition without the cramps. 5. Salmon. This is an excellent source of protein, which is necessary to healing your gut. It is best to eat lean sources of protein, such as seafood. Other seafood you can eat includes flounder, tilapia, and shrimp. They should be grilled, broiled, or steamed instead of frying them. 6. Papaya. There are some fruits that are better on the gut of a person with Crohn's disease than others are. These include papaya, cantaloupe, and mango. They are easy to digest and contain a lot of vitamin C, folate, potassium, and vitamin A. 7. Pureed beans. Pureed chickpeas especially are easier to digest than whole beans for those with Crohn's flare-ups. Pureed chickpeas create hummus that can be used as a dip with bread or crackers. Pureed lentils work as well. Both are high in protein and other healthful nutrients. 8. Chicken and turkey. These are high in protein, which is good for Crohn's healing. Stick to the white part of the poultry so you don't get the fattiness of the dark meat selections. These are mild forms of meat that can be incorporated into many different safe recipes for Crohn's disease. 9. Avocado. This is a soft, smooth food containing a high amount of essential fatty acids, vitamin E, B vitamins, and protein. They are high in soluble fiber, which helps in the digestion for those with Crohn's disease. 10. Butter lettuce. Just because you have Crohn's disease doesn't mean you have to avoid salads. This light green lettuce is the easiest to digest of all the greens and can be eaten with low-fat salad dressing for a great lunch. Don't eat it if you are experiencing diarrhea. These are some of the greatest foods to take in when you have Crohn's disease. Some of the foods are okay to eat during a flare-up, while others are better to take in when you are feeling relatively well. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.